Hello and welcome back to Moto Stylish channel. Are you looking for a cruiser that can take you on long trips with style and comfort? Do you want a bike that has a powerful engine, a sleek design, and a lot of storage space? Do you like to turn heads wherever you go with your shiny chrome and black paint? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you might want to check out the Suzuki Intruder C1500T, the ultimate factory-built tourer. The Suzuki Intruder C1500T is not your average cruiser. It's a beast of a machine that can handle any road condition and any distance. It has a 1,462 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that produces 78 horsepower and 131 Newton meters of torque, making it the most powerful bike in its class. It also has a slipper clutch that reduces engine braking and makes downshifting smoother. And it has a Suzuki clutch assist that prevents clutch slip and makes the clutch lever lighter. That means you can enjoy the ride without worrying about your clutch or your gears. But the Suzuki Intruder C1500T is not just about performance. It's also about comfort and convenience. It has a spacious saddle with a backrest for the rider and a pillion seat for the passenger. It has large footboards that let you stretch your legs and relax. It has a windscreen that protects you from the elements and a tank-mounted instrument panel that shows you everything you need to know, including speed, gear, fuel level, clock and trip meters, and it has fully integrated hard side cases that can hold all your luggage and are unlocked with the ignition key. You don't have to worry about packing light or losing your keys with this bike. The Suzuki Intruder C1500T is also a beauty to behold. It has a classic cruiser look with a modern twist. It has a long and low silhouette, a big headlight, lean-back handlebars, and chrome accents. It comes in two color options, black or white. And it has a BOSS edition that stands for Blacked Out Special Suzuki, which features an all-black paint scheme with matte black accents. Whether you choose the standard or the BOSS edition, you will be sure to attract attention with this bike. The Suzuki Intruder C1500T is not for everyone. It's for those who want more than just a cruiser. It's for those who want a bike that can do it all: cruise, tour, commute, explore. It's for those who want to have fun on two wheels and enjoy the journey as much as the destination. It's for those who want to ride an Intruder. If you're one of those people, then you might want to get your hands on the Suzuki Intruder C1500T soon. Because this bike is not cheap. It costs £10,999 for the standard edition and £11,499 for the BOSS edition. That's a lot of money for a bike, but it's also a lot of bike for the money. You get what you pay for with this bike: quality, performance, comfort, and style. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and treat yourself to the Suzuki Intruder C1500T. You deserve it. You've worked hard enough to earn it. And you'll have a blast riding it. Just don't forget to wear your helmet and your leather jacket. Because this bike is not only an Intruder, it's also a rebel. Well, that's a wrap for our review. Thanks for joining us today on Moto Stylish. And we'll see you next time for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest vehicles and trends in the world of motorcycles.